Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations. Hello Kitty and her friends were killed by Supersonic himself, and Mars was pushed back by Supersonic. Supersonic said that he came back after he found out that the world was gone and he was not gonna let that slide, and now we've been saved. Everyone across the world, it's now safe to leave your shelters. Your nations thanks you for your cooperation. All normal programming may now return.